Okay, welcome back everyone. Today we've got a Cornice job in a bathroom ceiling. You might recognize this job, you might not. Thumbnail time.
Yeah, I'll show you how it fucking works.
Pop quiz. But we actually framed all of this and we sheeted all of this. We did everything other than the tiling. We just installed the vanity. Now it's time to put the cornice around. We've got the tiles going right up to the ceiling here, and I'm going to show you how to finish that. I've shown it in videos before, and we're going to show you again. These are very smooth tiles, so we've got a good little technique. We've done our own testing on what's the strongest way to have it stick to that. So I'm going to show you that, and I was just setting up the lighting in here, and like every time I pull the camera out, we got this problem. Have a look. Oh, this snapped off. Great. Got my drywall cutter from down the Gold Coast at Trade Tools. I might have to take that in, or I could get an electrician to fix it up, new plug. Anyway, let's get it started. The first thing I did, we're going to actually spray this Trim-tex spray adhesive just above the bottom of the cornice line, and that just helps it stick. So we'll cut that in half. Just hold it up like that. Alright, we've got our jig set up. We've already started. I forgot to hit the stupid record button, but we're going to get this. We're using spray adhesive and our jig. That's set 85 mils. Our cornice is 90 mil. So our cornice line goes over that, but our mud sticks nicely.
Oh, look at that.
You got that bit?
Yeah. You've done this before, haven't
We have done this before, and it's been proven. We'll do a little tested piece outside, I'll show you. We'll do one with and one without, and we'll show you how much stronger it is. We've done the test before. Yeah. All the internals done. Done. Good.
Okay, ready.
Alright, that's it. That's what it gets left with. Crack cornice goes straight on there. Beautiful. I did put some water resistant sheet up here. It's right above where the shower is, so I thought that would help with steam and everything like that. Just doing that last little bit there. And it's all done around the perimeter. We've got the cornice cut and we're ready to go. Just got to mix up some mud. We've got a sponge bucket ready. Got everything ready. I might put a sheet on the floor. We'll get started. So Cornice is all up. A few important points is make sure the bottom's line up, and if there's a gap, let's say at the top, you need to roll both edges up and that'll close that gap. The only issue here is this was a bit short, that piece, but it doesn't matter, we can finish that. Eugene's just scraping off now. And then once you've had it scrape off, you give it a sponge bath. Eugene's just worried about that top coat there, it's a bit wet. That'll sponge out anyway. That's now done. Everything's up. We just got to put some lipstick on the edges here. But we're all in. Looking good. Internal's looking nice. Nice and level. Alright. So we just put a bit of top coat on and dress them up a little more when it's a bit drier. Now we're going to go next door and do the bathroom. All the cornice is now up. And Eugene's just scraping off, so we've got a couple of minutes. So what I might do is I might go out the front there and I have a couple of pieces of tile. And I'm going to show you how much stronger it is if you spray that spray adhesive on first, so we'll do a little bit of a demonstration. Okay, so here we are.